Alright, so check out this new device from Tekmar. This is really interesting. And they have it set up on like, you know, an imaginary situation here. So that palette is supposed to kind of represent your palette like on your press, okay? And this little box under here actually is like a vacuum. And what it's going to do is collect the overspray from your spray tack. Is that insane or what? That's kind of cool. So for those of us who like to use aerosols and spray tacks, but you don't like that overspray on the floor or, you know, gets around the shop, this is a vacuum type device. So you see it has a filter on the top here, right? So through that filter the air is being pulled, right? So it has a suction or a vacuum or whatever you want to call it. So it's pulling the air around the palette down through the filter. The glue gets caught in the filter, and the filter of course would be replaceable when it gets all gluey and dirty, right? So that's actually really cool. So we're gonna have to check that out, and then we're also going to take a look at this bulk adhesive applicator, this kind of portable little guy that goes on top of the bucket. So hopefully we'll get to take a look at that this year as well. Alright, but I wanted to show you this little aerosol overspray device because I just think it's really a neat idea, and you know, can help a lot of us who just, you know, I like the aerosols, I like the spray tacks. I don't really like spreadable adhesive. I don't know why. I don't know. What can I say? But this is kind of cool. So we'll try to see if we can maybe bring it in for a test run or something, because I like that idea a lot. Very cool. So Tekmar, awesome company. There's Simon right there. You probably recognize him from some other YouTube videos, right? Simon's awesome, great guy, and he does some awesome work with his equipment. Great products from Tekmar. So if you need anything, Catspit Productions is an authorized dealer. Just give me a call or shoot me an email on my e-commerce site.